Welcome to Spirit VPOS. In this tutorial, we're going to walk you through the complete order to payment process. First, select the table from the table screen and click on it. This will take you to the menu screen. From here, select the items you want to order. Once done, move to the bottom right corner and press the KOT button to send your order to the kitchen. After that, you can generate the invoice by clicking on the Invoice button. This will display the full order invoice. Next, move to the Pay button and click it. A payment pop-up will appear showing all available payment methods, including cash, card, credit, free, and partial payment options. In this example, we'll select the cash payment method. Once you click on it, a new pop-up will appear showing the total bill amount. You'll notice several quick cash buttons for different note values such as 5, 10, 20, 50, 100, 500, 1000, 5000, and 10,000. For example, if the customer gives you a note of 50 and the bill is 45, the system will show that 5 needs to be returned. You can also use the keyboard toggle button to manually enter any specific amount. After confirming the payment amount, simply press the Pay Now button, and that's it, you've successfully completed the order to payment process in Spirit VPOS.